Hi, John here with Wizards Products. I want to show you the Wizards Big Throw 21 HD.
The Wizard 21 HD Big Throw Polisher has a 21mm orbit to quickly and easily buff the surface of your vehicle. Remove scratches and correct imperfections with professional results in no time. The Wizard 21 HD Big Throw Polisher and Scratch and Swirl Removal Kit, also referred to as the SSR Kit, work together so you can cut, polish, and wax your vehicle. All of your detailing work with a simple, straightforward system. To begin, always carefully center the pad onto the backing plate. For scratch and swirl removal, start with the Mystic Cut compound and apply the product generously to the microfiber pad. Hold the pad flat to the surface and cross a 2x2 section using light pressure. Move the machine slowly across the surface, overlapping by 50% on each pass, generally making 3 or 4 passes. Remove residue with a microfiber cloth immediately to view results. Repeat as needed. Once the deeper scratches and swirls are eliminated, you are ready for the polishing step. Using the orange polishing pad and the same Mystic Cut compound, proceed to follow the same process until all light haze and micro scratches are eliminated. Reapply product as needed, using only drops once the pad is wet and seasoned. After the polishing process is complete and the surface is wiped clean with a microfiber cloth, you can proceed to the final step with the gray wax pad. For paint protection, you can continue with the gray pad using Mystic Nano Wax, or when preparing for a ceramic coating, you can continue using Wizards Mystic Polish for jeweling dark colors before coating. This step requires less material, but it's important to use enough to wet the pad. No pressure is required. Hold the pad flat and overlap for a couple passes. Clean the area with our microfiber cloth and inspect for any swirls or scratches. At this point, you should have a high gloss, smooth, and scratch-free finish. Using the Wizard 21 HD Big Throw Polisher for a complete detail is an easy 3-step process that anyone can do to achieve professional results. The Big Throw 21 HD quickly corrects imperfections, with no swirls or holograms and no burns from paint overheating. For more information on Wizards products and to order the Wizard 21 Big Throw HD Polisher and SSR Kit, contact your local paint jobber or visit wizardsproducts.com. Make it shine!